Yo, what is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G, back with another video. Today I'm coming at y'all boys with a little POV drive. It's been a minute since I did one of these, so I figured it's time. But today I also have some tragic news. I don't know if you can see in my dashboard, your boy has a check engine light. And y'all thinking, oh, why do you have a check engine light? What's wrong with your car? Nothing is wrong with my car. Basically what happened is I had to take my car in for a recall, a starter motor recall. My car was at risk for catching on fire, BMW said. So I took my car in for a recall. Listen to that car. I took the car in for a recall, and they did the recall. Hold on, I'm just drive real quick. I took the car in for the recall, and they did it. They were like, sorry, it's too tempting when there's walls on each side of you to just like hit that hook. It just got to every time. But I took the car in for the recall, and my service advisor's cool as fuck at BMW. Like, he'll put my shit through warranty when my shit's tuned, all modded, exhaust, all of the above. He's cool as fuck, but he was like, I just gotta let you know, when we do this, we are gonna have to software update your car. And he was like, you know, when we software update it, it's basically gonna get wiped back to stock. So he's like, you're gonna lose your tune, but they've been hounding us about this warranty, so whatever. And I was like, fuck it, like let's just go ahead and do it. Cause my boy, he had an unlocker. I don't have it on me, but he had an unlocker, and I was like, you know, if they fucking erase my tune, I'll just borrow my boy's unlocker and then unlock my car. Little did I know, I'm on EcuTek for my tuning software, and he's on MHD. It's an MHD unlocker. And I was like, well, I can just unlock my car with my MHD, with his MHD unlocker, and then flash my EcuTek tune on it. Fuck no, bruh. If you use an EcuTek, if you use an MHD unlocker, you have to have a super license for MHD. So you can't unlock with MHD and then flash an EcuTek tune, which I think's stupid, but I get. I am not gonna go this way. I'm gonna go the other way. I understand MHD wants their money. Like, they don't want people to just like mass unlock and then use like boot mod or whatever, or EcuTek. But it's like, come on now. So now my car, this was about a week ago, but basically my car is stock again. Obviously I still have my downpipe, my exhaust, my intake, but none of the tuning, none of the upgraded, boost, none of my crazy pops and startup roar and all the shit that comes along with the tune. So the car is down probably 80 to 100 wheel. I don't really have a route that I'm taking. I'm just kind of driving. It's kind of rush hour, so I'm trying to find a little route that wouldn't have too much traffic, but it's rush hour. What the fuck, it's all traffic. But it's been about a week. The car obviously does go down on power, but it's still pretty fun to drive. I mean, it's just a stock M340i. I mean, the car is still fun, the car is still rowdy, but it's just not, as fun. But yeah, that's a little update on the car. It's a bummer, but it is what it is. I'm either gonna have to buy an MHD license and just tune with MHD. I like MHD because it's so much more user friendly and there's so much more options on there for tunes and like settings comparatively to EcuTek. But EcuTek, for the long run on the 20s, if I were to go upgraded turbo in the future or go port injection, there's so much more like tuning support for it. But honestly, I've been so happy with this car just running a 93 map or an E50 map or anything like that. I feel like I don't need, I mean, maybe one day I'll feel like I need more power, but honestly, this car is pretty it's pretty rowdy just on an E50 map. I mean, you're making almost 500 wheels, 600 torque in a daily driver, 4-door, comfortable sedan. It's like, how much more do I need? Like, if I need more, shouldn't I just go G80 or go, you know, a bigger platform? Obviously, the V58 is highly capable to push 600-700 wheel, but it's like, wouldn't I rather just have an M car? Like, if I'm gonna end up putting 10-20 grand into modding this car, why wouldn't I just go G80? Honestly, I've been thinking about, if I do go G80, I'm probably gonna go 2-door. I'm gonna go M4, because I feel like the M3 is basically this car. Obviously, it has carbon buckets if you get a comp. It's all-wheel drive. My car is rear-wheel drive, so it would be, if it was a comp, it would be all-wheel drive. Buckets. But as far as like the wheel, the infotainment, everything is the same comparatively to an M340 and an M3, minus the engine and the suspension components, obviously, and the wide body. But as far as interior driving feel, it is the exact same, you know, experience. Which you're gonna say, you know, the M4 is the same too. Yes, but it's a coupe, so you have longer doors, you have all the things that come along with the coupe. It's just different. Like, I feel like I couldn't go G80. That motherfucker was checking me out. I couldn't go G80 and then go M3. Like, I know everyone wants the 4-door, like this, people say the sedan looks better, but I couldn't basically get into the same car plus the engine. In stock, it would feel literally the same as this. So that's just kind of my opinion on it. If I were to go M car, I would either go G82 M4 or I would go X3M. I really like the X trucks, bro. If I could afford it, I would go X5M. Them bitches are so bad. Look at all the little bikers. But yeah, this is basically just a little yapping session. I just wanted to come to y'all with this POV. Tell you my car is back stock. When I get some time off work, I either gotta send my ECU out to my tuner, Visconti, and he's gonna do the bench unlock so I can run my EcuTek tune again, or I'm just gonna bite the bullet and end up getting the MHD license, and then just be on MHD. But it sucks because I already paid like $1,000. I paid like a band for the software, the dongle, all of the things for EcuTek, plus the tune to get the EcuTek tune on my car. So to pay like another like $600 to get the MHD tune, it sucks. But you know, at the end of the day, what can you do? And at that point, if I was on MHD, if I ever had the issue again that I had to get unlocked, I would just have the unlocker and I could just keep unlocking. Whereas EcuTek, my tuner has to have the ECU like in his presence to unlock it. So basically it is what it is. I'll decide what to do in time, hopefully within the next couple weeks, because I don't want to, it's so less fun driving this car around stock. Let me do less yapping and get y'all some more driving clips. Obviously the car still sounds and performs amazing without the tune. Like, it just sounds so good that it's not the end of the world that it's not tuned. It's just, you can feel it's down a significant amount of torque and power. But this car, even stock M340i's are pretty quick. Obviously, like if a Mustang or some shit, if a 5.0 pulled up to me right now, I would be probably cooked and he wanted a race, goddamn, or a scat pack. Like before, I had no question in my mind if I was on an E50 tune, OTS tune, if a 5.0 or a scat pack pulled up to me at a 40-year-old, like I would fucking gap his ass. But right now, I gotta straight be goddamn watching the road because I can't get caught lacking, goddamn. Not like I give a fuck. I've never been the type to like fucking go crazy about racing. Obviously, I like to race. You know, it's fun. If I'm in Mexico with the homies, I'll do a little 40-year-old, whatever, but it's not like my whole thing, like being the fastest out. Because at the end of the day, we're all fucking OTS, E50, B58 cars, or like you have guys with 5.0s or scat packs. Like, it's not nothing serious, bro. Like, everyone's so, bro, my shit's so fucking fast, bro. My shit would gap your shit. It's like we're all running the same car, the same tune. It's like, why are you so competitive about this shit? People also ask me like, yo, why don't you go big turbo? Why don't you get a flex fuel kit on your shit so you can go custom tune? Why don't you do that? I don't really care too much. Like I said, I don't really care too much to be the fastest guy out. Like, I like having a quick car, but like, I'm not trying to break records. I'm not trying to be at fucking Texas 2K. Like, I'm just trying to enjoy my shit, hang out with the homies, fucking, you know, do little road races on the highway, little fun runs. But it's just never been my style to like care about being the fastest guy in my city. Every time I'm on this road, I just want to fucking hit it so bad. But cops be sitting on this bitch. Like, at some points, cops sit like at the bottom or the top of this road. But like, this is such a perfect road to just fucking hit this shit. I hope somebody's still sticking around and enjoying this video. I know it's just kind of like a little driving around yap session. I just wanted to kind of get out the house and make a video. I love the smell of catless downpipe in the morning. God. Let's get a little 20 roll for y'all boys. Stock M340. My bad, y'all, for not talking. I kind of just been enjoying the car and then just driving. I kind of ran out of shit to say, but hope y'all still enjoy it. I've been out of the habit of making videos for a minute. So like, just putting a camera on my head and then just driving around and just like talking about some shit is like, I gotta get back into the motion of doing it. But after a couple POVs of me coming back, like it'll start flowing more smoothly. There'll probably be a little bit more cuts in this video and just like kind of nonsense because my fucking ADHD brain just kind of goes crazy. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed watching this. I'm probably actually gonna close it out in just a minute. I'm gonna give y'all one more pull on this road and then we're gonna close it out. God, I wish he wasn't turning. Let's get y'all one more pull and then we're gonna sign out, boys. Oh man, they give a fuck. He didn't even turn his head, goddamn. He on a move. I always think this is a cop, but it's just like somebody selling a truck. Alright, y'all boys, I am signing out now. I appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all did enjoy, could you please like, sub, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.